Steelcase Series 2 is a high-performance ergonomic chair from Steelcase. The height of your seat adjusts to provide the proper orientation to your work surface and work tools. To raise the seat, lift your weight from the chair and pull the lever up. To lower the seat, remain seated and pull the lever up. The proper positioning is when your feet are flat on the floor, your thighs are parallel to the floor, and your arms are parallel to your work surface. Adjustable seat depth accommodates different leg lengths to reduce pressure behind the knees and provide better lower back and leg support. Release your weight from the chair, then pull the handle under the seat and hold it up as you slide the seat forward or back. It's adjusted properly when you sit with your lower back against the backrest and there are 2 to 3 inches of space between the seat edge and the back of your knees. While sitting, your arms should rest naturally from the shoulders to reduce strain and pressure on your spine. To adjust the arm height, squeeze the arm button, lift or lower the armrest, then release the button. Arm width, pivot, and depth are adjusted by grasping the arm caps and sliding in or out, forward or back, and side to side. The proper positioning is when you can sit with your arms at your side, with your forearms parallel to the ground without your shoulders being hunched. Your chair has one simple control to adjust both the back tension and back recline. The default setting, or position 1, provides regular weight-activated recline tension. As you turn the comfort dial, it will click at each setting. Position 2 delivers more resistance through weight-activated recline with a tension boost, and position 3 locks the back upright. The adjustable lumbar provides additional support to your lower back. Grasp the handles, lean forward slightly, and slide the handles up or down. It's adjusted properly when it fits into the small of your back and feels most comfortable to you. If you do not wish to engage the lumbar support, slide it all the way down to the neutral position. For headrest adjustment, simply grasp the headrest and move it up or down to adjust the height. So now that you know how to adjust your chair, you can take full advantage of the Steelcase Series 2 ergonomic performance features.